Is there anything that could make this little rectangle worth $99? Check out our honest review of the new Rothys men's wallets to find out. Now, I'm going to be honest with you here for just a second. I use this bad boy as my wallet for the past, a couple years. And to be honest with you, I have way more cards in here than I actually need because this wallet has gotten a little bit loose. As you'll see here, I have cards what is this? My son's Elitch Gardens pass. I have cards I don't use at all in here just because I want all my cards to stay. And so for a present for my birthday, my wife got me this bad boy. Now, this is the new Rothys wallet. It is $99. It is made from the same material that the shoes are made from. It's got some nice little blue touches. I don't like really thick wallets. This is just thick because I have to have too many cards in it. But let's see how the Rothys wallet works. It's got spots here for a couple cards, spots here for a couple cards, and then in the middle is supposed to be for cash. Now, another cool thing about this wallet is it is machine washable, which is pretty cool. So let's see if it works with just the essential cards that I need. I'm about to go on a trip and I don't want to take more than I need, so let's see how this compares to this. Let's just try it out. The arguably most important card of them all. I need my driver's license. Don't want to show you all that information. Well, these are my kids' gift cards to Disneyland where we're going. Probably should take those with me, huh? This is actually a card that I need for the lounges. I want to show you. Let's get a whole bunch of information. The platinum card, get you into the Centurion Lounge. Sweet card to have. That, whoa. And that's pretty much the only cards that I really need. I mean, these are some receipts that I need to turn in, but the only downfall for this is there's not like a little magnet where I can put some more receipts and stuff on there, but I honestly have way too many cards in general. And this is a nice little wallet. I like that we can put some cash in this top part. I mean, I'm sure I could put the receipts in there if I wanted to, but I need to get those out and use those. But man, that's pretty cool. I will say that $99 for a piece of fabric is really expensive. We'll put a promo code down here below where you can save like $30 depending on the promotion that's going on. So I hate spending a lot of money on wallets, but I also think it's silly that I have a giant ugly one that I literally use every single day. So it is a little expensive, $99. I'm sure you can find something that is cheaper, but if you want something that is machine washable, is good for the earth, then you know what? This may not be a bad option. I do like how sleek it is. I do like that if it does get a little bit dirty, you can clean it off. It does look like some things will stick to it a little bit, but the $99 is pretty much the only bad thing I have to say about it. But once again, you can save some money by using our promo code down below. Let us know, do you have any questions? Was this helpful? Don't forget to hit subscribe. We hope to see you again real soon.